Hello friends, welcome to Saral Gyan. In this short video, I will tell you how you can open a Chromium browser using a cron job on a Raspberry Pi. So keep watching. Friends, as we all know that Raspberry Pis are cool tools to automate the processes and to schedule the process on a Raspberry Pi, we generally use cron jobs. And in this video, I am going to tell you how you can schedule a job which requires to open a Chromium browser using cron jobs. All the links to the application used in this video will be available in the description below. I am currently using a VNC viewer to access my Raspberry Pi remotely from my MacBook. So let's create a Python file. For that I would open the editor and here I will click on new. Here we can say from Selenium import WebDriver, and we will be importing time to add the sleep time. Then driver will be equal to WebDriver dot Chrome. The Chrome is with capital C, and then driver dot get. We will be opening google.com, and thereafter we need the user to see it for a while, so we will be adding a sleep time maybe of 10 seconds, and then finally we will be exiting the browser. So driver.quit, and we will be saving it. I will be saving it on the desktop, and the name would be test underscore script dot py. So let's save it. Now the file is saved. I will close this browser and open the terminal. So now I will cd into desktop, and here I will run python 3 test underscore script dot py. So here you can see that this script has opened the Chromium browser and open google.com, and now it will exit in 10 seconds. Let's wait for it to get exit. So now it is exited. So I will cd into my root directory, and now to schedule this to run at a specific time, we will be needing to open the cron tab. So I will open cron tab -e, and in this tutorial I won't be going into detail of the cron tab, but you can always request for a video in the comment section below, and I can make a whole video on this cron tab only. So let's make it at 26 minutes at 15, and we want to run it daily. And here I will be doing user bin python 3 because I want it to run using python 3, and then I will be giving the path of my file, which is test underscore script dot py, and then we will be also creating a log file so that we can know if there is some error or not. So the name of the will be test underscore job dot log, and then for reporting all the errors we will be saying 2 greater than and 1. So this is my line. It will run at 15:26, that is 3:26 p.m. and it appears fine. So let's control X, and then I'll press yes and enter. So now it has installed a new cron tab, and we will wait till 3:26. So just bear with me for 1 minute, and let's see if it opens it or not. So it is 3:26 now, and ideally the script should run and open the browser within 15 seconds. So we will wait for another 15 seconds to see if something opens, but we can see that we are beyond 15 seconds and nothing has opened. So we'll go to the desktop, let's minimize it, and you can see that I have got a log file here. So I will open it up. So we have got this error because the cron job is designed to run the processes in a background, but here we are trying to open a GUI app, that is Chromium. So for that we need to tweak our request a bit, and we will have to add certain command in our cron tab. So I will close it, and I will open the terminal again, and I will go back to cron tab -e, and here I will go to this, and as you can see in my above job, after this state we have to add export display is equal to colon 0. This is what you need to add if you want to open a GUI app using your cron job, and here I will quickly do it as 28 and control X, yes, enter. So let's wait for 3:28 p.m. and see if it opens up the new window or not. So it's 3:28 now, and ideally the browser should open within few seconds. So let's wait for it. Okay, the browser hasn't yet opened, so I will go back to my log file to check for any errors. Okay, so it says user bin python 3 bad variable name. So the problem here was that I forgot to add these and marks here, and now I will again change the time. So I had made a typo, I didn't add these two ands, so now I have added it. Now let's quickly add the time and save it so it run at time and press enter. So now ideally the cron tab is getting installed and ideally it should run. So let's wait for 3:31. So here now you can see that it opened the Chromium browser and it has opened google.com, and it will automatically be closed after 10 seconds because we have added the sleep time of 10 seconds in our script. So let's wait for it to get exited. So now you can see that it automatically got closed after 10 seconds. And this is it for this video. As I told you, all the links of all the resources used in this video would be in the description below. If you have enjoyed the video, please hit a like button. If you want to make any specific video about Raspberry Pi, please leave the topic in the comment section and I will try to make a video on that topic. In order to be notified about the new videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.